Would you rather see a baby die?
It's practice time. I'm scared it's gonna fall, but it's fine. Well, I'm trying to talk. It's kind of, you know, give me a second to warm up to it. It's just a little early. It's only 6 o'clock in the morning, you know, it's fine.
Oh boy, 3 a.m.
Hey, what's up? Are you sure you're smiling now? I do. Hi. Hi, Mom. Yeah, Paige can talk and ramble on everything. I'm a butterflyer. I'm a swimmer. I'm part of Spiritual Life. I'm part of Emory and Henry campus.
All right, here we go. First person, ready, go. 25 seconds, we got another one. Quote DJ Khaled.
Another one.
Another one.
Another one.
You can clip that, right, and put DJ Khaled's face, like another one.
Another one.
No breathing off the wall. So, like, watch Jill, she'll probably breathe here. Oh no, she didn't. So, what we really want to work on is them not breathing initially as soon as they pop up out of the water. Fun fact about swimming, you're at your fastest when you're pushing off the wall and diving off the block. So, trying to carry as much of that momentum into our swim as we can. Makes it easier. Work smarter, not harder. I'm interested to see Corey's tape with that GoPro on his chest. You want me to hit the gritty across the pool? I gotta find a dry spot. You ready? That's all I got. That's all I got in me.